G'day guys, I'm Tim James and I'm the spokesperson for Simpo Cleaning Services in Sydney. Today I want to talk to you about the 4 biggest mistakes I see cleaners make when they're doing after builders clean. Number 1 is not immediately reporting damage to the project manager. This is very important. When you spot any damage, please notify the builder immediately. Cleaners are the last tradies on a construction site, so let the client know if you see any damage in advance so you don't get blamed for it later. Logical, right? Number 2, being careless with acids. There are times when you're going to need to use acids to remove things such as grout, haze or concrete splatter. Just be super careful with it. Keep it away from metal and do not pour it down the bathroom drain. I've seen this done many times and the damage to the property can be irreparable. Obviously, not good. Number 3 is not changing the water in your bucket regularly. This one really gets on my nerves. Remember to change the water in your bucket regularly, especially when you're doing wet wiping on all the joinery and bench tops, or even if you're mopping the floors. Otherwise, you're just cleaning it with dirty water, and guess what? Once it dries, all the dust will still be there, and the customer's not going to be happy. And number 4 is not double checking your work before you leave. So you and your team have spent the whole day cleaning for the client, you're tired, you want to go home, I get it, not so fast. Just spend 10 or 15 minutes double checking everything to ensure that nothing has been missed. You don't want to give the customer a reason to call you back the following day to finish the job when you could be starting a new one. That's it guys, thanks for watching and happy construction cleaning.